a thought machine. You have 1,000 million thoughts every day in life. Everything you see, hear, experience is usable. The only question you need to ask yourself here is, where can I use it? Can I use it in my poems, in my stories, or on my blog? Let me make something very clear in the beginning itself. This course isn't just about writing. Not at all. This is about expressing yourself. It is about communicating the thoughts that really churns your heart. But most importantly, this is about passing the baton of your thoughts to your readers. In this course, you'll be learning overcoming writer's block, basics of poetry writing, storytelling and plot development, blogging and content writing, critiquing and editing your work, and very important, digital marketing and monetizing your art. You must have heard writers change the world. Well, think of it this way. Someone somewhere on this planet is either reading a poetry, an article, or a book and is really getting influenced by it. So let me rephrase the sentence. Writers influence people, and we want you to be the next trend-setting writer. We at Darkroom Poets work hard enough to imbibe cultural influence in our course attendees. Hence, our courses are not only in English but focuses on regional languages too. The tips, tricks and techniques taught throughout this course can be used in any language you write in. We won't only teach you concept lessons, but week after week, our writing coaches will sit along with you and handhold you throughout this writing journey. In addition to this, we also provide a lifetime membership to our community of poets, writers, authors and mentors who will walk by your side as a guiding light. Hey, I am Nandini Trivedi, your writing coach for Unboxing Creative Writing. Let's kickstart your writing journey and unleash the writer in you.